Sparrows are small, seed-eating birds that belong to the Passeridae and Emberizidae families. They are found in many parts of the world and have adapted well to human settlements. Welcome to Greater Gospel. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's probe into the 17 interesting facts about sparrows. Number 1. Sparrows have different colors and patterns depending on their gender. Male sparrows usually have reddish-brown backs and black bits, while female sparrows have brown backs with stripes. Number 2. Sparrows are social birds that live in colonies called flocks. They communicate with each other through vocalization, body language, and wing waving. Number 3. Sparrows are omnivores, meaning they can eat both plants and animals. They mainly feed on seeds, fruits, and insects, but they can also eat human food scraps. Number 4. Sparrows can fly at a speed of about 24 miles per hour and up to 31 miles per hour in an emergency. They can also swing quickly to escape from predators. Number 5. Sparrows have many predators, such as cats, dogs, foxes, snakes, hawks, and owls. Young sparrows are especially vulnerable to predation. Number 6. Sparrows are not very territorial, but they are very protective about their nest. They will fight off other sparrows or birds that try to take over their nesting sites. Number 7. Sparrows are small birds that measure between 4 and 8 inches in length and weigh between 0.8 and 1.4 ounces. They have stout bodies, rounded wings, and conical bills. Number 8. Sparrows build their nests in various places, such as under roofs, bridges, or tree hollows. They use materials like grass, feathers, paper, or plastic to make their nest. Number 9. Sparrows are mostly monogamous, meaning they mate with one partner for life. However, some sparrows may cheat on their mates or have multiple mates. Number 10. Sparrows lay between 2 and 8 eggs per clutch, depending on the species and the season. The eggs are white, blue, or green with brown spots. Number 11. Sparrow eggs hatch after 10 to 16 days of incubation. Both parents take turns to incubate the eggs and feed the chicks. Number 12. Sparrow chicks fledge after 14 to 21 days of hatching. They stay with their parents for a few weeks before becoming independent. Number 30. Sparrows can live up to 10 years in the wild, but most of them die within the first year due to predation, disease, or starvation. Number 40. Sparrows have high metabolic rate, meaning they burn a lot of energy to maintain their body temperature and activity level. Their heart rate can reach up to 1000 beats per minute during flight. Number 50. Sparrows have an extra bone on their tongue that helps them manipulate seeds in their mouth. They also have an outer primary feather that helps them fly more efficiently. Number 60. Sparrows are not native to North America, Australia, or New Zealand. They were introduced by humans from Europe and Asia in the 19th and 20th century. And number 70. Sparrows are considered pest by some people because they compete with native birds for food and nesting sites, damage crops and gardens, and spread diseases and parasites. So viewers, that's all for today. Subscribe Greater Gospel for more these kind of videos. See you in another video. Till that, take care, love you, goodbye.